Wall Street gang, what's going on with y'all, man? I come back to y'all with another crazy video here today. So today I'm about to go wash my car because it's been raining all week. We had severe windstorm, so I'm finna go wash my car, and then today I'm finna go to my first car meet. Let's see what that's about. Let's get a cold start real quick. That AC going right now, because I tell you what, it is hot today. It's hot outside. Yeah, man, so like I was saying, guys, Wall Street family, finna go wash my car. It's been raining all week. It's been horrible, but today, Sunday, Funday, we got the sun out. You know what that means? They might have the buns out. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my car. Turn that down. Finna go wash my car, man. It's real dirty. I got my kit. I'm gonna show y'all everything I use to wash my car. You know, sometimes I got it detailed, but I don't get it detailed all the time. I personally like to wash it myself. So, finna go to one of these little hand car washes I got out here and wash my car, and I'll be back to y'all shortly. But like I was saying, I'm gonna go to my first car meet today. I ain't never been to a car meet before, so now that I got like my Hellcat, I've been posting on my Instagram. You know, I got different pages following me, reaching out to me, you know what I'm saying, sending me invitations and stuff. So I'm gonna go to a car meet today, see what it's like, never been. And you know, y'all gonna enjoy the experience with me, so I'm gonna be back. All right, man, y'all see, I just pulled up to the car wash. You know, got a little dirty. You know, we gotta transfer these ones right now though. You know how that go. You know what I'm saying? Get them quarters. Come on, man. Stop it. Get about $5 worth. All that, man. Give me all that. Dirt sheet, I can tell. Dirt sheet, bro. Get it clean. Let me see. Gonna put some of this right here on the tires. You know what I'm saying? Get all that dirt off. Just get a little bit of that on there. On the brake, everywhere. Then we're gonna rinse that with some water. So I got two different shimmies right here, one for the body, get all that extra dirt off, then I'm gonna come back with my other one, clean it, show you what I got for the wheels. Put this right here on the wheels, all four right here. Little tire shine. man, y'all see I just got Big Purr real clean, man. I'm not no detailer, so you know, of course there's some little water spots, some spots that I missed. I still got to get more stuff to clean it that I left at the house. But finna head back to the house right now. Go ahead and, you know, shower, get dressed, and head to this car meet. It's hot outside, so I've been sweating out here cleaning this car for the last hour and a half. So finna head back to the house, get dressed, and I'm gonna see y'all at the meet, man. Be back. What's going on, gang, man? We back in the car. Just got me to take a little shower, got dressed. Finna head there. It's on the other side of town, man. It's gonna take me a little second to get there. You know, Houston is so big. It's not big, but it's big. You know, but finna be on my way there right now. I'll tell you what, it's not the summertime yet technically, but this Texas heat is on its way, man. Getting in the car, man, this seatbelt almost burned me with these leather seats. My last car had cloth. And I tell you what, I appreciate that now, because this leather be a little hot. But I do got tint on all my windows. So I got 25%, so it really be kind of shaded in here. It doesn't get too hot, but you know, when it's 90 degrees outside, you still gonna feel that regardless. So, you know, y'all hear that. So I'm gonna hit y'all back once I get to the meet, man.
They gon' tell me that bitch hard ain't right, you need to leave alone. She a diamond, she ain't got a diamond, that don't make no sense. I don't care, don't waste no time, my next one gon' be heaven sent. Bring up me some meals, no, I'm not coming off the bench. I've been patiently waiting on my turn.
One red shit, please.
Alright, man, I just pulled up to the meet. I know it's hot as hell, it's a lot going on, but I'm finna check out some of the cars out here. I'll show y'all I'm parked the cat. You know what I'm saying? We put the cat right here. Solo by itself. But let's go check out some other shit. See what they got going on out here. I know it's hot as hell.
Hey guys, want to follow us on Instagram? We're Houston_car_meets. Houston_car_meets.
Little glitter. Damn, that thing low as hell. I know they be scraping. Oh, like it's on bass though. Supra.
We also got food specials, buy 3 pounds of fish, get 1 free. And also,
Is it a track hawk? Like an SRT, no track hawk. 392. Bring my car and park it over here. I've seen this car before. Deadpool. So he beating hard. Back into this motherfucking red eye right here. This red eye so crazy. With this blue, with the type of tires I mean. It look the same, just a little wide body, but totally different. Just got that too. Everybody just got it. Like when I get my truck, man, my truck gonna be so high in the sky, I might need a ladder to get in there. So I couldn't imagine, you know, getting a truck to have it that low, especially in Houston, you know, because it's about to be hurricane season in a month, you know, once June gets here. So to have a truck that low, you're not gonna be able to get through no water. That's gonna be like driving a cat. I can't drive a cat in no water like that, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but I think my time at the track meet is over, man. I'm finna get ready to get up out of here. Go get me something to eat because I'm starving. They got food here, but it's crawfish. I don't eat crawfish. So, I'll be back, y'all. All right, guys, man. I'm finna be signing off, man. I'm gonna be posting way more videos. Me going to a couple car meets and different things. Definitely go to some other car meets late at night. See some people sliding. You know what I'm saying? All that cool shit. But I just got me some Whataburger. Got me something to eat. You know, I don't know where y'all from, where y'all tuning in at, man, but Whataburger is the best thing in Texas. And In-N-Out needs to get out of the Texas state immediately. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna take me for fresh ones.
They gonna make us some fresh ones?
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool.
That's it. All right.
Yeah, man. Like I was saying, they had to get my onion rings right. They shorted me, but yeah, man, y'all like, Subscribe, leave some comments. We bring way more content to y'all, man. Wall Street Gang, man. I'm gonna see y'all later.